Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Flipboard we click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we search about the application of Flipboard. Then in this page of app info we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will wait a moment to start to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.